Hey y'all, it's Mindy. Welcome back to my channel. Today we are cooking up this delicious pan-seared garlic and rosemary chicken. So come join me. Picking fresh rosemary for the dinner. That should do it. We are using some leg quarters today, and we're going to season them up with a little bit of salt and pepper. And while that's being seasoned, our pan is heating up with about a tablespoon of bacon grease in it. You can use any kind of oil that you like. We're going to sear these chickens on either side 4 to 5 minutes and then take them out. Put in about a tablespoon of butter, a couple cloves of garlic chopped up, a couple sprigs of rosemary. You don't want to let them cook but about 1 to 2 minutes to get good and flavorful. Then we're going to throw our chicken back in the pan and we're going to cover it and we're going to turn it down to low. And now we're going to let it cook low and slow for about 20 to 30 minutes. You just want to keep a check on it, make sure it's cooked all the way through, and this should help it get good and tender, which is what we want. Okay, I want to show you this right here. You see this down here? Y'all, that is flavor. That stuff right there is good over the chicken, the potatoes. It's just yummy. Yummy, yummy, yummy. All right, we're going to get this plated up, and I'm going to pour some of this yummy goodness over the meat and the vegetables. I decided to pair this with some roasted potatoes and carrots, and I just seasoned them with a little bit of salt and pepper, olive oil, and a little bit of dried rosemary. And then we're going to put, of course, this flavoring on top of them. This meal was so delicious. My whole family enjoyed it, and I felt a little bit like a gourmet chef cooking in my kitchen. So if you try this, let me know how it turns out for you. Drop me a comment down below if you have any questions. I love chatting with y'all in the comments and would love to hear how it turned out for you and what you and your family thought about it. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a like and consider subscribing to my channel so I can make more videos like this for y'all in the future. I hope you have a great day and take care. Bye, y'all.